Welcome back to Peanut Garage for part 2 of frame rail replacement. Alright, so I've moved all the stuff out of the way, dropped the K-frame, it just dropped the bolts out, the suspension's holding it in. So for now, so I can get to all spot welds and get a wire wheel in, I'm going to chop out as much steel as I can to make room, and then we'll go from there. Got the plasma cutter ready to go, if you can hear it in the background, and then we'll go from there. Sweet. Okay, the old frame rail is removed. It's not the way I wanted to do it, but we're gonna just do a quick and dirty one on this now. So I've punched the inside guard with the dolly and hammer, straighten it up a bit. I am going to plate down over this on the front. I am going to plate down over this to the frame rail on the new one. Basically, it's probably going to have twice the metal that it originally had in it, but yeah. Anyway, that's what I got to do, because I don't have the patience to drill out 50 spot welds. Yeah, I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to plate it, fish plate it, and weld it in. Anyway, let's put the frame rail in place and see what we're working with. Alright, put a couple of bolts in the subframe, chucked the rail on, lined it up, so it looks like it's ready to tack in. Haven't measured from side to side yet, but I will shortly, and we'll see how it goes. Eyeballing it, it looks a hell of a lot better than what it was, and looks pretty damn spot on. So kept the gaps to 1mm because I was using 1mm disc. And well, I did shave a little bit off it, it's like 1 or 2mm, so it's pretty damn close. But we'll go get some more steel, we'll tack it in place, fish plate over the top of them, and then we'll come back to that. Obviously you guys don't want to watch me tack welding this in, so might do a short little time lapse, just yeah. Anyway, we'll keep on cracking on. Alright, got it welded up. Alright, what we're going to do next is make some plates up. One's going to back this one, one's going to back here, here, and on the other side. So we can move forward by putting the engine back in and everything else. Anyway, another step closer. I'm going to clean this shit up now and call it a night and grind off some of these tabs. Alright, we'll pick it up again tomorrow. Alright, made some of the plates I was talking about, Swiss cheesed it, and that's where all the spot welds are going to go. Probably overboard, but I would rather it be overboard than break. So we've made this one as well, right there. So we'll grind off where the spot welds are going to go, and a couple of edges. I'll tack it around the edge as well, and then yeah, made up some plates to go here and on the other side as well, just to give it some more strength. And once it's done, we'll paint it and throw the engine back in. We'll give you a look once I've welded it all up. There we go. 1 plate, 2 plate, 3 plate. Now, we'll just let it cool off, seam seal and paint it, and then we can start putting everything back together. Okie dokie. As you can see, all painted up, all seam sealed, suspension's back in. Did make a little modification to the suspension. I cut the original sway bar piece off. Just got to secure this. And then bleed the front brake because I disconnected it. But everything else is back in together. And I decided to paint the strut tower because I could, and it looked pretty crap. I gotta do that side, but we'll worry about that another day. I can't be bothered doing it today. And I've got a bunch of gold Raceworks heat shielding stick-on stuff to go onto the firewall. So we'll paint the rest of it, maybe, or we'll just run the two-tone silver and black, and then we'll throw the motor back in. Don't forget the 500 sub promise of blowing the Ecotec up with a bottle of nitrous. Don't forget about it. Please hit sub, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it.